Welcome guys, hope you're all doing fine. I am here to share with you another Kamukunji haul video. So if you love such content, you are most welcome. Subscribe for more. Let's get straight into the video. So guys, this is the first item that I got from Kamukunji. I got this pot. I know you've seen these everywhere. Na zinauzwa kama gold, but at Kamukunji you're going to get it at 550 shillings only. Same asante. And this is how this one looks. Oh guys. So you can use your tea leaves and you can also use your coffee. Yeah. And then it's heat resistant. You warm with it and you're good to go. You can also serve with it. Yeah. So guys, are you excited for the next one? Ta-da! So guys, this is the next items that I got from Kamukunji. Towels, kitchen towels. And I'm gonna show you these ones. These ones are so good, guys. They're not going to leave white particles, especially when you wipe your utensils. And you can use this one to cover your chapati dough when you're cooking. They are so effective and they are so soft, so nice. For 100 shillings, you can also get them at 80 bob. Ukinunua mingi. So they look so cute. And then I got these ones. And the problem, I would have loved to have the same color, but they come in those dull colors. I think this one is nice. And then they are two-sided colors. You see, the good thing with these ones, they have these hook here. You can hang them. So I got all colors because me, I don't mind. Like such things, I don't usually go with them, because you end up not getting what you really want. I even got yellow. But I love like the way they have two colors. They are two in one color, so they are so cute as well, and the quality is so nice. These ones. So guys, I've always shared these. These are so good, guys, for wiping your counters. These are so nice. Like they are going to absorb so well, and also they don't leave residue when you wipe. So they are so nice. This is how this looks. Oh, they're so nice. And you can, as you can see, they are also like a micro fabric, and I love them because they serve the same purpose and they're affordable, guys. There is no need of buying the expensive ones for 700 for 3 pieces. So these ones, they are for only 150 for the whole dozen, and they are so nice, guys. Just go and buy them. Na utaniambia they're so nice. These are smasher I got for 200 shillings. These things are so affordable. The next one is this chapati pan for only 1400 shillings. And so nice. I also got this scoop. I got for, I think nitatumia kwa cereals ama kwa ugali, sijui kwa unga ya ugali. Then I love the fact that it's this stainless. Yeah, this one is so nice. I think 250 shillings. So I got this Frother coffee whisk. This one, I know you've seen these ones all over. This one is so good. You can whisk your coffee in the cup, and iko na mahali unaweza weka batteries. I haven't even used it. Hope it's working. Yeah, of course it is going to work, only that it don't have the battery. This one. So you can also get apron from Kamukunji. I got this apron. Let's see. So guys, this is how this one looks. So cute. For only 250 shillings only. And this one is so cute. There's this color in white, but I prefer black because black inakaa poa. So I got this silicone mold. They're so cute, guys. Oh, look at this. They're so nice. You can use this one to mold your cookies or for your ice cube. Oh, so nice. Soft. Cute. This is the next one. This is cake decorator. I got this one for decorating cake. I'm planning to do a lot of baking, and I got only one because no need of having many. So this one, and the next one, I got these cookie cutters. These are cookie cutters, and there are so many different sizes. And I love the fact that these one, they are also stainless. So these are so good. Look at these different sizes, different shapes. Kuna star, love, and these, yeah, the other shapes which I don't know the name. Oh, the clove, love, yeah, and star. I got these bamboo coasters. These are so nice. Look at this. Ooh, I got this type 6, and these other ones. Look at this. In a fish, and they are so nice, so cute. They have so many varieties, and they are going for only 100 shillings each. For your cup, for your pot. Kama utaki kutumia the silicone for placing your pots, they're gonna rest here. You can use this one. Yeah, and I think I'm almost done. So the last one is this one. For my rice, I needed this one. In a new steer time. So these are rice barrels, and this was going for 900 shillings. This is so nice for storing your rice. And then it has a measuring jug. It has a measuring jug, guys. Look at this. So nice. And then I love the fact that this one, like, it's going to not take your space. Unaona shape yake, the shape itself is not going to take your space in case you don't have very big pantry. And then this is 13 kgs, and this is still big. Ooh, so nice. So guys, I think I'm done. Oh yeah, I still have this chop board. So I got this 3-in-1 chop board, guys. You know, like, kitchen ina maneno mob. You don't want to mix, yeah, greens, especially if you use this one to cut your greens. Kuna venye inakuwa green. You need to keep on cleaning and cleaning. So sometimes I always replace after some time. And the one which I have, I'm going to show you the one which I have. Hata ukisugua itokangi. So guys, I got this one 3-in-1 for only 500 shillings. I think that's a nice deal, and they are strong, they are nice. I'm telling you, easy vitu ukisikia nikikwambia, they are nice. So, and the last one, I'm so excited for this one. I got these ones. Look at these cute shoes, and they're so nice. Look at this. I got this one for only 400 shillings. Na usiambie mtu. Hii biashara iko Kamukunji, you can sell this one for 1000. Na ziende vizuri. I'm telling you, I've been in business. Najua you go there and do business. Si kungara tu. And I got these ones. These are so cute. Look at this. These were going for 350. Remember, guys, these are wholesale prices. Isn't it cost your wholesale? So those people are doing business. Look at this. So cute, cute, cute. Na zinakaa poa. I'm not going to wear them, but I just want to show you.
I saw these types of shoes, and I'm not going to mention where. Zinaenda for 2500, and the same. Nikiangalia kitu, I can tell you kitu kama ni ya Turkey ama ni ya China ama ni ya Thailand.
Ooh. So guys, you can do business, and that is it, guys. Of course, I'm going to leave the contacts of where I got these items from. Just go do business. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you for 10,000 subscribers. I really appreciate, and I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye for now. Much love. Bye. This is Kamukunji haul video. So I'm going to just wash. I'm going to wash.